Good morning, guys. It is 8:40 in the morning and it's our day 3. So ngayon, I think it's just gonna be the same thing. We're just gonna try different beaches. Pero obviously, ano muna kami. Swimming. But look at the view. So anyways, see you guys later. So guys, ito na ang aking outfit. Yes. Oh, diba? Pero busog pa ako from kahapon. Tsaka sa day before kahapon. So, please don't judge. At, hello Sam. Mag-hi kayo sa aking new bucket hat. Dahil, I think pang-5 ko na yata to or pang-6. For some reason, either nawawala or no, ano na siya, naibigay na siya somewhere. Ganun. Yan ang mga nangyari sa aking bucket hat. But anyway, mag-swimming tayo. And then, hindi ko na alam kung anong pang plano. Pero ready na kami. See? Yes? Yes. Bago kayo magsabi, it's the same shorts. Kasi, what's the point? Pinang short ko lang naman siya kasi mag-beach. So, gano'n. Para magmukha lang tayong descende ng konti. But anyway, enjoy the view. Yeah. See you guys later. So guys, pinauna ko na sila kasi I have some business to do. Charis. Business talaga. Anyway, pinauna ko na sila because I have to do something. Kaya, ngayon pa lang tayo pupunta ng swimming pool. And, yun, magmo-morning dip tayo. Nagkape kasi ako. And, didn't want any kape. So, there you go. Go lang. Sorry. Ang gulo ko, no? Saan ba talaga kayo? Kasi ang gulo natin. I'll see you when we get there. So guys, nandito tayo sa pool. Oh look! Look how like a babies. Yes, y'all. Wet it. Babad-babad muna. And all that shizzle. And then, that's it. Yung mga tao na swimming. Kasi anong oras na ba? It's 10 o'clock. So, there you go. Anyway, see you guys later. So guys, andun na kami nag-stay kami sa pool till nakako 12 na. And, kumain daw muna kami. So, we're gonna go back. Yes! Sexy Becky! So guys, lalabas na kami. And it's already 1 in the afternoon. So, punta naman ako ng beach. Yes, look at me cool. Yes, girl. She's working it. Anyway, alas na muna kami. I'll see you guys later. Nga pala, hindi ko alam kung pinakita ko na before. Kumain pala kami, nag-change, whatsoever, yada yada yada. And then, ayun. Asya, sige na, babo. So guys, pupunta tayo ng Faro. Somewhere na may old town, na may beach, na may latat na. Anyway, see you guys later. So, pit stop guys. Nandito kami sa Forum Algarve shopping mall. So, let's see kung anong gagawin namin dito. Out of the plan, pero ayan. So, ayan na. Ground floor to. Yan, kailan na pa? Mall pa more. So guys, tingnan mo, yung McDonald's sila merong nata. Nata seco para. Diba? So, look guys. Ganda dito. So anyways, ano pala, kumain kami ulit. I had picanha. Tapos si tita kumain ng balakaw nat. Si nata. Yun. It's good, masarap. Pero sabi ni tita, yung kanyang balakaw daw maraming tinik. Kaya ayun. Pero sa mga hindi nakakaalam, nag-ano kami, nangongolekta kami ng Starbucks cups to every country na pinupuntahan namin. So, ayan. Libre tayo ng Starbucks. So, pabalik na kami. Pupunta doon kami ng White girl what? Wait, White girl. Tignan dito, pabalik kami and we're going to go sa, saan yan? Praia something. Apparently may bridge. May bridge na kailangan namin puntahan para makarating kami doon sa beach. Kasi tingnan mo, si Nicole is very dressed for it. Bra, hubadera ang lola mo. So guys, dito tayo sa Praia Faro. De Faro. Nakarating din. Nakarating din. Ayan siya guys. Kita nyo ba? Ang dami. Ang daming kaganapan dito. Charis. Ay, makakapag-swimming na ulit. Funky road. So guys, magsiswimming tayo. Ay, nakapag-change outfit na ako. Huwag niya na akong i-judge. Ayan. O siya, sige mamaya na. So guys, ito na nga kami. Yeah. So guys, it's almost the end of our day and it's already 20:55. There is one who is balong in here. If you know Kuyunon, you'll know what balong means. Just go up, go up, go up, go up. Up, bababa, yan. And basically, it's already, so we've watched the sunset before going back home. So we're gonna go back home. We're gonna drive back home. But I don't know whether we're gonna have another pit stop. So keep watching. The day is not finished yet, but we already had like 2 pictures of sangria, the red one. Because there's always 2 sangrias. There's white one and there's red one. So you guys should like pick. But my favorite is the red one. Oh, where are you going? It's the banyo. The banyo. So yeah, keep watching guys. I'll see you guys in a bit. Gago!
Gago Airport!
Gago! Oh dear! So guys, nandito na kami sa aming bahay. And dito na matatapos ang ating vlog for the day. Thank you for coming with us. And I'll see you tomorrow. So guys, views. Nag-aarte-arte pa si Nicole. Ayan. Makita ninyo? Seryo, labas-labas yung dila. Yan. So guys, ito na talaga matatapos to. Okay, sige, bye-bye.